Hello everyone, welcome back to another tasty recipe. Today we are making bechamel sauce. It is a French cream sauce to die for. It's super easy, super quick, great for weeknight meals, or if you just want that little extra splurge, this is the sauce for you. So turn your burner on to medium heat, let it preheat just a little bit, warm it up. We are going to take 8 tablespoons of butter or olive oil, pour it into the pan. I, of course, cut the calories a little bit. It doesn't sacrifice the flavor at all. So I'm using olive oil in mine. If you're using butter, let that butter melt down so it's on liquid form. I'm gonna let the oil heat up. Now we're gonna take a half cup and 2 tablespoons of flour. Pour it in with your butter, and we're gonna wanna whisk that until it kind of smoothly blends together. This is your roux. Yeah, I said it, roux. Probably are accustomed to it for Cajun foods, but this is how I love making my cream sauces because it adds an extra richness to your sauce. So your roux should look something kind of like this. And now we are going to slowly add 4 cups of milk. Sometimes I use cream or half and half. Coconut milk works really good too, so does almond milk. Now we're gonna wanna slowly add our milk to the pan and whisk as you add it. Gonna dissolve that flour and butter or oil mixture in with your milk. It's gonna create our sauce. I love cream sauces. They're my favorite. They're so tasty on all kinds of things. Keep adding your milk until it is completely in your pan, combined with your roux. We're gonna bring our sauce to a simmer, so turn your stovetop up just a little bit, about to 6, 7-ish. Just go on medium high. We don't wanna like completely burn the sauce. Wanna bring it to a simmer, and that's gonna really blend all those flavors together. This is the easiest cream sauce you will ever make, and actually I use this as a base for a lot of my different types of pasta sauces. Mac and cheese, or as an alternative, Italian cream sauce. I know, it's all about the spices you add, which we're gonna add here in just a few minutes. You want your sauce nice and smooth, that's why we add the milk in real slowly. So we've let this simmer for about 10 minutes, and every so often keep whisking it because we don't want that cream sauce to burn. Now we want the sauce as thick as to coat the back of a spoon, and I'm going to show you. So just take a spoon, dip it in there, and as you'll see, it is coated on the back. That's the consistency we want. It's perfect that way. So we're going to pull it off of the stove because it's already heated and it's ready to go. And we're gonna add our last few ingredients. So we are going to take a cup of white cheese or fontaine, pour that in. A pinch of nutmeg. Now this is the key to this sauce. A pinch of nutmeg, a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste. Now if you have white pepper, perfect. I don't, I just have normal black pepper, so that's what we're using. And some salt. Now we're gonna mix that all up, let that cheese melt in the hot, warm liquid, and it's gonna thicken your sauce a little bit more. I love this sauce. This is like one of my feel-good sauces. I'm a huge cream sauce lover anyway, but this is so great because I can eat it the night of or the day I fix it. And then what I do is I boil some of my favorite pasta and pour it over it and dish it out into individual servings. So it's ready for whatever next meal I want to nom on it. You are gonna love this bechamel sauce because it is full-bodied cream sauce. It's rich, it's smooth, it's creamy, but what I really love about it is you get all that richness of a full-bodied cream sauce, but it's so light. It goes well with everything, literally everything. I've put it on broccoli, I've made lasagna out of it, I've even made mac and cheese out of it. It's that scrumptious. And I love that little hint of nutmeg in it too. It really brings out the robust flavor of this bechamel sauce. I hope you are going to love this recipe as much as I do and see how many versatile ways you can use it. I love you.